Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to fix mobile Gmail notifications. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply go to the settings into your phone. And now once you are here on the settings, just simply go ahead and scroll down and go for the apps. And here on the apps, just simply try to find the Gmail application over here and just simply select it. And from here, you will have notifications on the app settings. And here on the notifications, guys, you should be able to see all of your email account. And after that, you could just simply toggle which notifications that you like. And now just make sure everything is turned on based on your preferences. And after that, another option that you have is just simply go back and then go for the permissions and make sure everything is allowed. So as you can see, we have two categories, allowed and denied. So make sure to allow everything so you won't have any issue. Now, another one is just simply go to the Google Play Store and then search for the Gmail and just make sure you are running the latest version of the application. And when there is any update, you should be able to see here update and just simply select the three dots on the top right and make sure to enable the auto update. There you go, see ya.